Today, we're taking a mind-blowing trip almost 5 million years into the past, to a time 4.8 million years ago, to uncover the incredible survival diet of our early human ancestors. Forget your grocery store runs. These guys were the ultimate foragers. Imagine a world before farms, before even basic tools as we know them. Our early ancestors, specifically early hominins, weren't just surviving, they were evolving, and their diet played a monumental role in shaping who we are today. When we talk about 4.8 million years ago, we're looking at a fascinating period, probably within the Pliocene epoch, where our ancestors were still developing key human traits. We're talking about beings that were likely moving between trees and the ground, adapting to changing environments. So, what was on the menu? Picture this: vast African landscapes, often a mix of woodlands, grasslands, and rivers. This diverse environment offered a smorgasbord, but it wasn't exactly handed to them on a silver platter. The primary sources of nutrition would have been overwhelmingly plant. Think fruits, berries, nuts, seeds, leaves, tubers, and roots. These were the staples, providing essential carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. They had to be expert botanists without knowing the word for it, identifying what was edible and what wasn't, learning which plants were available seasonally and where to find them. But it wasn't just about what grew above ground. Underground treasures like tubers and roots were crucial, especially during drier seasons when surface plants were scarce. These starchy reserves offered a reliable energy source, and digging them up would have required ingenuity and perhaps some early, natural tools like sticks. Imagine the effort involved in unearthing enough calories for the day, all without a shovel. While plants were the foundation, our early ancestors weren't strictly vegetarian. Evidence suggests that meat, though likely consumed opportunistically and perhaps in smaller quantities than later humans, was part of their diet. We're talking about scavenging. Imagine spotting a carcass left by a larger predator. Instead of hunting big game, they might have been quick to grab nutrient-rich bone marrow or leftover muscle. This early exposure to animal protein and fats would have provided crucial nutrients for brain development and energy. Small insects, grubs, and even small vertebrates like lizards or birds' eggs could have also been supplementary protein sources. Every calorie counted, and nothing edible was overlooked. Their dental structure, specifically the size and shape of their teeth, gives us big clues about their diet. Early hominins often had large molars with thick enamel, perfect for grinding tough plant fibers, nuts, and seeds. This dental evidence strongly supports a diet heavily reliant on fibrous plant matter. Over time, as our ancestors evolved and tools became more sophisticated, our diets changed, and so did our teeth. It's important to remember that survival wasn't just about finding food. It was about understanding their environment deeply. They were intimately connected to the cycles of nature, the availability of water, and the movements of other animals. Their intelligence wasn't just for inventing tools. It was for observing, remembering, and adapting to their surroundings, to find their next meal. So, the next time you enjoy a healthy meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of human diet and survival. Our early ancestors were true pioneers, turning the raw elements of their world into the fuel that propelled our evolution. Their survival diet, a blend of resilience, adaptability, and resourcefulness, laid the groundwork for everything that came after. If you found this journey into prehistoric dining as fascinating as I did, hit that like button, share this video with your curious friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing explorations into our past. Your support means the world, and we've got so much more to discover together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.